From advanced design to revolutionary materials,
Bundles combine into larger secured packages known as currency bricks. Protective wrapping seals stacks tightly with clear labeling.
This is where Switzerland prints some of the most secure money in the world. With security features so advanced, they're nearly impossible to fake.
this is the full journey of how Switzerland creates ultra-secure money.
Welcome to Switzerland's Money Factory, where precision meets unmatched security.
This is where some of the world's most secure banknotes are created.
Built with precision, this facility represents the heart of Swiss currency production.
Inside, every detail is controlled with absolute precision. Here, millions of banknotes are produced with unmatched accuracy. Each sheet moves through the system with perfect alignment.
Advanced machines ensure flawless execution at every step.
Experts monitor every detail to maintain perfection.
Finished sheets are collected with perfect precision.
This is just the beginning. Next, we'll explore what makes Swiss banknotes so unique. Up next, the material behind the world's most secure money.
This is where Swiss currency design begins, with absolute precision.
Every detail is created digitally with extreme accuracy. Complex patterns make duplication nearly impossible. Engraved plates become the foundation for every printed note.
Before production begins, every detail is verified to perfection.
These master plates are prepared with absolute care before printing.
Every microscopic detail is inspected to ensure absolute accuracy.
Each color layer is carefully separated and calibrated.
With design complete, the process moves into full-scale production.
This isn't traditional paper. Swiss banknotes use advanced hybrid materials. This is what makes them stronger, safer, and more durable.
Swiss banknotes are made from a special hybrid material, not ordinary paper.
These notes are designed to last longer and resist wear.
Unlike regular paper, these notes resist water and damage. Multiple layers combine to create strength and security. Security features are built directly into the material itself. Once ready, these sheets move on to the printing stage.
Now that the material is ready, it's time to design and secure every detail. Next, the design that makes Swiss money unique.
Different Swiss franc denominations are printed together with perfect precision. Offset printing applies the vibrant base colors for each denomination.
Even at high speed, every detail remains perfectly aligned. Intaglio printing creates the raised texture that defines each note. Each denomination carries its own identity, built with precision and detail. Registration systems keep every layer perfectly aligned in real time. Multiple layers build the final look with absolute consistency. Controlled drying locks in color and ensures long-lasting quality. Different denominations move together, all produced with identical precision.
With printing complete, every sheet moves forward for final inspection. Every Swiss banknote is scanned with advanced systems to ensure security. The transparent window is a key feature that makes duplication nearly impossible. Holographic elements shift with light, creating a powerful security layer. Microtext adds invisible details that are nearly impossible to copy.
Under UV light, hidden security features come to life.
Bundles combine into larger secured packages known as currency bricks. Protective wrapping seals stacks tightly with clear labeling.